Good evening, everyone. We are Group 1, and today we'll be talking about our findings and visualizations about the theme Influence of Income on Health and Social Problems. Our primary dataset talks about county-wise health rankings and estimate data, while our secondary dataset talks about county-wise unemployment and median household income. Our dataset consists of entries from the year 2015. In our first visualization, we have color-encoded counties in the United States of America based on median household income. We have categorized three groups based on the overall income of each of these counties. The first group, indicated by the color blue, represents counties with a median household income in the range of $20,000 to $40,000. The second group, indicated by the color orange, represents counties with median household income in the range of $40,000 to $60,000. Finally, the third group, indicated by the color red, represents counties having median household income above $60,000. Based on the visualization, we see counties with the highest income to be concentrated in the eastern and western coastal regions. In addition, we also see the pattern originating towards northwest region. We also see the counties with the lowest income to be concentrated in the regions of Southern America. Here, we have proceeded to perform a linear regression on the variables of our data set to determine the most significant variables having strong intercorrelation. Our findings demonstrate these variables to be poor mental health value, unemployment rate, median household income, violent crime rate, and college value. Said variables have been highlighted in blue. This illustration provides us the platform to visualize relationships between these variables and will help us determine what role each variable plays in affecting living condition in different counties. We will now proceed to find the correlation between two of these significant variables. That is, college value, which demonstrates overall education output of counties, and unemployment rate. Our visualization on the left illustrates counties with the top 50% of college values across the United States. We see a high concentration of college values along the East Coast. The parallel visualization demonstrates the correlation between college values against overall unemployment value. We have formed three groups: high college value, medium college value, and low college value. As observed, we see a linear correlation between the two parameters, indicating that counties having high graduation numbers demonstrate lower unemployment rates, and vice versa. In this visualization, we have determined the dependency of poor mental health value on median household income. Our visualization depicts this correlation for top 5 states having high median household income values, which are California, Florida, New Jersey, New York, and Texas. The visualization illustrates that the highest poor mental health values for these states are found to be in counties having below average median household income value. The pattern is observed across maximum counties of USA. We will now be observing an interactive dashboard coordinating relationships between unemployment rate, median household income, and crime rates. The bottom left visualization demonstrates that richer counties have lower unemployment value. Counties which are relatively poor tend to have higher unemployment value. This indicates that it is easier to find jobs in counties with higher median household income as compared to counties having an average range of median household income. Now coming to the top left visualization, we see a state-wise comparison of unemployment in the country. Surprisingly, we see California top this chart, although it has a relatively high median household income. This could be due to its sizable population. States joining California in this chart, such as Florida, Illinois, etc., are also states which are not only having a sizable population, have high college values, but are also commercial centers of the country. The top right visualization demonstrates the relationship between unemployment and crime rate. We see a relatively linear relationship between the two variables, with some counties exhibiting an exponential relationship while other counties show a weak linear relationship, with the exception of certain outliers. In some counties, we can observe that there is an exponential relationship between unemployment rate and violent crime rate, with a slight increase in unemployment rate resulting in very large increase in violent crime rates. This can be seen for counties such as Missouri, Arizona, Louisiana, and Maryland. But what surprised us is that the positive effect of unemployment rate on the violent crime rate decreases for the counties of the states with higher median income, like California, Florida, Georgia, which indicates the presence of other factors affecting the crime rates in these states. These have been our findings for the dataset Influence of Income on Health and Social Problems. We'd like to thank you for giving us your time, and we wish you a great day ahead.